If you want to design faster in Canva, then you need to brand your workspace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to brand Canva with your colors. And even if you're on the free version of Canva, I'm going to show you how you can brand it even if you have more than 3 colors. But before we get in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm always sharing graphic design and Canva tips for boss ladies. So first of all, I am here in my free demo account of Canva on the home screen, and if you click on the Your Brand over in this left menu, it pops up and you can store up to 3 brand colors in the free version of Canva. You can do as many as you want, I think, in the Canva for Work, and you can actually have multiple different brand palettes as well as uploading your own fonts in Canva for Work. However, if you are like me and you have more than 3 colors, I'm going to show you how you can actually still brand it even in the free version of Canva. But first, let's talk about how we even get these color codes, because you're not going to want to just pick colors all off the fly from this wheel. You'll need to get your color codes. One option to do that is use the canva.com color palette. If you have an image with your colors or something you want to pull a color from, you can upload it here. And then Canva will automatically pull the colors and give you the codes. So then you just click to copy and you can come back to your Canva window, paste it in there, and voila, your brand color. Now say you were on Pinterest or somewhere or anywhere on the internet and you wanted to pull a color, you can get this handy dandy little Chrome add-on or whatever these are called Color Pick Eyedrop. And if you click on it, it activates it, and I can click on somewhere in the image of the color I want and get the color code that way. And again, that was the Chrome extension called Color Pick Eyedropper that you can just install right up here on your Chrome toolbar. So say you do that and you have 4 or 5 colors that you need to input in Canva. You can just create a design. You could even create an actual template if you wanted to, or you can just hit R, drop in a rectangle, change the color up here. You click that little plus and you get the option of adding color codes. I'm going to hold Alt and drag, Alt and drag, and Alt and drag. And then you would just repeat the process of getting your codes and pasting them in until you got all of your colors. And I'm just gonna quickly change these. So now that that's done, you could name this your color palette or whatever. And like I said, you could actually create a whole template that includes your brand colors, because you know I'm a fan of using templates. But right now we'll just call this our brand colors. We're going to make sure that's saved. I'm going to hit Command S to force the save. And we're going to come back to our home screen and refresh. So our latest design is generating right here, but it is still, we can still access it. So now what we can do is we can move it to a folder. And in the free version of Canva, you get the option to have 2 folders. So I am just going to trash this one. Oh. I'm going to trash this folder. Delete. So I can show you, now I have the option to add a new folder, and we'll just call it branding. Come back to all of our designs, and at this point you may need to refresh to make sure that your folders refresh. We're going to come here. Our graphic is still, the preview is still generating. That's okay. As long as you can access those 3 dots, you're good to go. We're going to click Move to Folder and add it to our branding folder. Now we're going to come in branding. And if you click there, you have the option to use it as a template. And when you click use it as a template, it automatically makes a copy. But the cool thing is the document colors follow it around. So if you made one of these or made a template in the various different sized graphics that you create often, so for example, if you post on Facebook and Instagram and pin things on Pinterest, you could create a Facebook post sized palette or an actual template, one for Instagram and one for Pinterest. And that way, anytime you used it as a template, your document colors are stored right up there across the top, and you don't have to be constrained by these three brand colors. Now let's take a look at what this looks like in Canva for Work. It's the same thing. I'm here on my Canva for Work home screen, and I'm going to click on your brand. And you can see here I get several options, and I can create multiple palettes. So for example, this is a palette that I did when I was making templates for a client. And I can also upload logos, which this one, I mean, you can just upload your logos to your regular place that you upload any kind of folder in the free version, but in Canva for Work you do get a separate tab for logos, and of course you can upload your brand fonts. So I'd love to know in the comments below which route you will go, if you have Canva for Work and can use endless color palettes, or if you're going to be using the little hack for the free version of Canva by creating templates of your brand colors. Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you in the next video.